If you want to lose thigh fat fast, then you need the right information regarding weight loss. Usually, if you are someone who carries a lot of weight on your hips and thighs, this may be the first place you lose weight. Of course, this is not the case for all people, and spotting and reducing doesn't work. If you want to lose thigh fat fast, you have to do exactly what you would do to lose weight from your entire body. It all comes down to diet and exercise. This video gives you 5 tips on how to get on the right and simple path to losing thigh fat naturally. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very skin friendly and deals with several dermatological disorders including cellulite, skin inflammation, and redness caused due to dehydration, etc. There are more than few ways in which you can use apple cider vinegar to remove ugly cellulite. Aerobic exercises. Along with strengthening and cardiovascular exercises, you need to do aerobic exercises to tone your hips and thigh muscles. These exercises help burn fat on your inner thighs and the rest of the body as well. Coffee grounds. Coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which tightens, smoothens, and tones the skin. It also promotes circulation and reduces accumulated fat. Coarse coffee grounds work as an amazing scrub that helps tone the muscles around your hips and thighs. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for losing extra fat from your body, including your thighs and hips. The medium chain fatty acids in coconut oil get absorbed directly into the cell membranes and are immediately converted into energy instead of being stored as fat. Moreover, coconut oil improves your metabolism and reduces hunger cravings.